Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I recently was gifted this Blush Crush Colourpop palette. It's probably been around for ages, but it is an all pink palette. Oops. It is an all pink palette and I'm going to swatch it for you today. I'm going to start with the top left, work my way across and down. Sorry about my nails, that's just the kind of person I am. And here we go. So after just starting swatching this and looking at it in the camera, I realized that it's a little more peachy than I thought, which makes sense because duh, Blush Crush, like blushes usually are like peachy or pinky. However, I don't know that any of these could be used as blush. They're either very shimmery, slightly shimmery, or really pale. So I guess it's just the theme. I don't know. Let's see how they swatch now that I actually have it recording. First one is called Love Sick. It's a very pale matte pink. Next one is called Pop a Bottle. It's almost the same exact color except it's shimmery. It's very pretty. I love the glitter in this one. The next one is the first peachy one. It's called The One. And it's like a fair skin tone. Sorry if I shake this at all, it's me just trying to pick up the pigment. Yeah, I didn't think it would show up very much on my skin and it doesn't, so I don't know if you can see it, but it's like the peach version of this first one here. The next one is called Enamored. Very nice. Shimmery peach. It's like a little darker than this one though, whereas I feel like these two are kind of the same color. Next one is called Made You Blush, and I love these mattes that have just like a teensy bit of glitter in them. So there's just like a little bit of shimmer. I'm just fascinated with these. I don't know why. I don't know that you could use it as a blush though. But maybe you could. Next one's called Blossom Up. It's another shimmer. Oh, it's almost duochrome. It's like a pink and gold. I see this one is a bit more warm toned and this one is a bit more cool toned, except that it has that shift in it. Bottom row, the last one's called How Rouge, because it's a pun on How Rude. A lot of these would make a very nice blush color if they didn't have the shimmer in it. So that's the deepest so far. It's a bit reddish. Cheek to Cheek is next. This would make a good blush. It's just a matte medium pink, little warm pulling. There might be a little shimmer from my other fingers in there, so I apologize for that. And then the last one is Blush Wine. It looks way darker than this one, How Rouge, sorry. But again, it has the shimmer in it, and it doesn't swatch quite as dark as I thought it would, but this is the deepest in here. Again, it would make a very pretty blush, especially I think for darker skin tones, maybe medium skin tones. But I mean, I'm not the expert on that for obvious reasons. But again, it has the shimmer in it. So hopefully these turned out. These are very pretty to swatch. They do look more pink leaning than peach, but when I was looking at the picture of the actual palette, it looked more peach. But all the packaging is pink. So I don't know. Let me know what you think. Could you use any of these for blush? Does it look pink? Does it look peach? While I had this out, this Blush Crush palette, I wanted to go ahead and compare it to the Peach Out palette, also from Colourpop. That this is sold at Target. I don't think this is. It has a different packaging, whether it's sold on the website or in a store, and Target only just started selling them. So, I mean, I can definitely see more of a peach over here and pink over here by comparison. I also have the Smoke and Roses palette, which is supposed to be a pink gradient. I was hoping this would kind of be a mini Smoke and Roses palette. I don't know if that's quite true, especially with the darker tones. And there's way more mattes in here, but just thought it would be an interesting comparison to show you. That's all. These look so different in different lighting. What a big difference. This is in the bathroom. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. We also have a ton of swatch videos up on the channel at this point. And thanks so much for watching. We will see you in the next one. Bye!